guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be another health kind of a video, a health edition sort of a video. So I did my last video on the multivitamin supplements that I was taking, and a lot of you said that you actually benefited from it. So I thought I'm going to tell you something about a product which I have been using from that time onwards, but मैंने late कर दिया इस video को करने में only because I was trying this product out. So what happens with these kind of products is that it takes a really long time to actually try them out and see the results, and only when I do see the results of it I try and share it with you guys. So that's why I was taking these supplements that time also, पर उस वक्त इतना time नहीं हुआ था मुझे कि मैं इसके बारे में खुल के review कर सकूं. Right now I think 2 या 3 ही tablets बची हैं, so 3 tablets are there. So that's why I wanted to do this video really ASAP for you, because last video में आपको pills नहीं दिखाए थे, तो you were like सना आपने pills नहीं दिखाई, कैसी दिखनी है, कितनी बड़ी है, and क्या हम उसे really consume कर सकते हैं and all of that, for all those of you who are really scared of taking pills. So this one I thought इस बार ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, तो that's why 3 pills remaining है. इसमें वैसे 60 pills होती हैं. I'm talking so much, let me just introduce this product to you. So this is Healthwits Biotino 10,000 mcg something. Yes, like bottle looks like this. It's a proper plastic bottle. Packaging is kind of really simple with a blue cap, and इस पे लिखा हुआ है Biotino 10,000 maximum strength, supports carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism, and this is for healthy hair, skin and strong nails. And this Healthwit company is owned by a company called as West Coast, which is a very renowned company, and they have I think a lot of other branches across the world as well. So yeah, that is all about this. And it also says a warning over here that if you're pregnant, nursing or taking any medication, consult your doctor before use. And it has all the details mentioned over here, including the manufacturing date, the date of expiry and the price and all the ingredients, and every other information is actually provided on the bottle. Now you just have to, so जब आप नई बॉटल खोलोगे तो यहाँ पे एक क्या होगा, एक एल्यूमिनियम का फॉइल होगा. यू विल हैव टू रिप दैट ऑफ, फिर वापस से इसको कैप लगा दो, एंड यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. जैसे इसको ऐसे खोलो एंड टेक आउट योर दवाई. सो आई हैव 3 दवाई यहाँ पे. दवाइयों को ऐसे हाथ में नहीं निकालना चाहिए बिकॉज वो कंटेमिनेट हो जाते हैं, बट स्टिल आई एम गोना शो यू माई पिल बिफोर आई एक्चुअली कंज्यूम इट. सो इन केस इफ यू हैव एनी इश्यू ऑफ हेयर फॉल, एनी इश्यू ऑफ ब्रिटल नेल्स, ड्राई नेल्स, और काइंड ऑफ वो जो बहुत पतले नेल्स हो जाते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं, और एल्स इफ यू हैव इश्यू ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लमैटिक स्किन सच एज फ्लेकी स्किन, वेरी ड्राई स्किन, सम itchiness or any of that sort, then this video, my dear friend, is for you. So make sure that you watch it. Now before I proceed with this kind of a medicinal video, I would just want to tell you, like I do this disclaimer all the time. The thing is guys, I'm not a official medical practitioner. I know nothing about medicine, but I just got this product over the counter. If you're suffering from any prolonged illness, or if you are under any sort of a medication or any kind of a treatment, or if you're pregnant, make sure that you consult your physician, your specialist, your doctor before actually taking this over the counter. So that is something I really want to say, because these are any day pills, but these are herbal pills. These are kind of quite safe. Now I got to know about these products from a lot of YouTubers, and also I did see a review of it on Amazon. Also I did read a lot of blogs about it, so that's why I got it, because recently ऐसा हो गया था, मतलब अभी भी ऐसा है, not that it is a magical pill or anything. मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी कि I had a really bad problem of hair fall. So every time I used to run my fingers in my hair, 5-6 बाल तो ऐसे टूट के आ जाते थे. तो that time I started feeling like what is this happening. I never had any issue with hair fall or anything, and also my toenails started becoming brittle. hand के nails तो ठीक थे, पर मेरे toe के nails were like really brittle, and they used to look really ugly. Even now they are not really that good, but still it is manageable. Nail paint लगा के सब चल जाता है. And you guys know I have a very problematic skin. I have acne prone oily skin, but I started taking these tablets mainly for my hair because बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall होने लगा था, maybe because of the change of place and change of water, and because this is a herbal product, it's very safe to use. So I started using it, and I won't say I really saw magical results, but yes, I'm going to talk about it in a full detail. If you have not seen my previous Healthwit ka Senvitan video, I'm going to leave a card over here so that you can go ahead and watch it. I've done a very in-depth kind of a thing, but I'm not today going to talk about the science factor of it. I'll just quickly tell you कि कैसे ये काम करता है, but I'll tell you the result that I've seen on me. So these are basically small छोटे गोलियां हैं white color की, and they actually do nothing. They act as a supplement. So basically हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं, जो भी हमारी डाइट है और जो भी न्यूट्रिशन हमारी बॉडी में जाता है, ये बस उसको असिमुलेट करता है और अब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है. So basically अगर हम खाना खा ले पर उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमारी बॉडी में अब्जॉर्ब ही ना हो, तो बेसिकली वो हमारे बालों तक, स्किन तक, नेल्स तक या किसी भी ऑर्गन तक नहीं पहुंचेगा और उसके प्रॉपर रिजल्ट्स हमें नहीं शो होंगे. दैट्स वेरी सिंपल बेसिक साइंस. दिस वन हेल्प्स विद मेटाबॉलिज्म. इट हेल्प्स टू ब्रेक दोज फैटी एसिड्स और फूड को बहुत अच्छे से एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है. तो आप जितना फूड अपनी बॉडी में डालते हो, ये उसके सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स को प्रॉपरली बॉडी में अब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है. इस वजह से हमारी बालों को न्यूट्रिशन मिलती है, स्किन को न्यूट्रिशन मिलती है, नेल्स को न्यूट्रिशन मिलती है, एंड दे ग्लो एंड दे बिकम रियली हेल्दी. बस इसके पीछे का ये साइंस है. इफ आई टेल यू अबाउट हेल्थविट एज अ कंपनी, इट इज अ renowned company and it is owned by a brand which is called a pharmaceutical company which is called as West Coast. And मैंने बहुत in depth में बताया हुआ है. This is a WHO certified company, so it is very very safe. All these products are halal, organic, they are ISO certified, and these have undergone every kind of scrutiny. They are FSSAI certified as well, and they are, I think, WHO GMP certified as well. So this is very safe. You can definitely use it, but again, make sure that you go through the disclaimer once again. So let me just quickly tell you one more thing, that ये आपके फूड या डाइट का सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है. You have to eat your proper balanced diet. Now this is not a magical tablet. It is not going to give you overnight result. You have to consume it for like 2-3 months to get the result. I have used it for 2 months, no, 3 days short of 2 months, because I have 3 small little pills left in over here. तो मैंने इसको जब से यूज़ किया तुरंत से मुझे कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. 1 हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता यूज़ करने पे मुझे लगा यार व्हाट अ वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी, बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर 900 रुपीज़. इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. जो पहले वाली टैबलेट्स थे वो इतने एक्सपेंसिव नहीं थे, ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है और मैंने अमेजोन से लिया है. सो आई लीव अ लिंक ऑफ इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. और मैं एक बात बता दूं आपको, हेल्थविट के प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो अमेजोन पे टॉप 10 मोस्ट रेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. दे हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ रिव्यूज. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू रीड द रिव्यूज. अपनी पूरी तसल्ली कर लो. डू ओले तसल्ली एंड ओनली देन गो अहेड एंड kind of purchase it. मैं अपने बालों में ऐसे उंगली फिराती हूँ ना, तो मेरे 10-12 बाल तो ऐसे आ जाते थे. मतलब that was the situation. पर अब थोड़ा वो situation under control है, इसलिए मेरे बहुत सारे flyaways दिखते हैं, because अब वो जो बाल गिर गए थे वो वापस आ रहे हैं. तो बहुत सारे flyaways हैं. Now you know I have a very problematic acne prone skin. Still I do get acne a lot on my face, but थोड़ी सी acne की issues मेरी कम हो गई है. I think I don't know कि इस product की वजह है या hormonal changes है या क्या है, but हाँ मेरे acne issues सॉल्व हो गए हैं थोड़े से, नॉट अ लॉट बट हाँ थोड़े से. ऑल्सो मेरे हैंड्स के नेल तो ब्रिटल नहीं है, मैं हैंड नेल्स आर प्रीटी गुड, पर मेरे टो के नेल्स के साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहती है. दे लाइक स्पेशली द टो नेल और स्पेशली जो छोटी वाली फिंगर होती है उसका नेल, पैथेटिक थिंग. सो आई वांटेड माय फीट टू लुक गुड, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि इफ दिस वन वर्क्स आउट देन आई विल यूज इट. थोड़ा फर्क आया है. एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स टू ग्रो योर फिंगर नेल. बेसिकली बायोटीनो का मतलब होता है वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन बी. सो विटामिन बी, स्पेशली जिन लोगों को विटामिन B7 की डेफिशिएंसी होती है, दे कैन एक्चुअली टेक दिस प्रोडक्ट. इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड. आई हैव सीन रिजल्ट्स. दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू absorb the nutrients well in your body, and therefore you will have a healthy glowing skin, you will have really nice luscious hair, and you will have strong nails. So I will definitely recommend this for you. Make sure that you take just 1 tablet every single day. Do not overdose it. I got mine from Amazon. You can definitely buy this one from Healthwit website as well, and I'll leave links of wherever this is available in the description box. आपको जहाँ से खरीदना है खरीदो. Make sure that you do your entire research before buying any medicinal product, and you can also go through the reviews of this product on Amazon. They have, I think, pretty decent reviews on this one. I think these are also available on Flipkart. So yeah, you can definitely get this one. So अभी खा लूँ क्या? Wait, let me bring my water. मैंने पानी ले आया है. I'm shooting this video during the day and अभी टाइम हुआ है 2:15. I hope you can see. Yes, 2:15. और मैंने अभी अभी अपना लंच किया है. मैंने लंच में खाया था दाल और रोटी. तो अब आई थिंक इट्स द टाइम टू एक्चुअली टेक माई दवाई. आई जस्ट टेक इट आफ्टर आई कंज्यूम द मील. उसके बाद आई थिंक मैं 5 मिनट्स तक वेट करती हूँ और उसके बाद आई जस्ट टेक 1 टैबलेट ऑफ दिस वन. सो मुझे बहुत गंदी लगती है पिल्स, बट खाना पड़ता है कभी कभी. डन, सॉर्टेड. So that was my one medicine for today, and I'm very happy. Or I maintain a calendar and I just tick mark aaj liya tha dawai. So yes, that's about it in this video of mine, guys. I really hope you've liked this video. I hope that you find this useful. If you have any experience of using this product, make sure that you write it in the comment section below so that a lot of people can benefit from it. And yes, this is not a sponsored video. I did see a lot of YouTubers doing it, and that's how I got influenced to actually purchase it, because I'm suffering with a lot of problems of nails, hair and skin, and I just want to, you know, kind of tame the issues by having something which does not have any side effects. This is a herbal product and it is completely certified and it is very, very safe, and that's why I went ahead and tried this one out. So that's it in this video of mine, guys. Do let me know if you have any questions, anything that you want to say, please write in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you guys. And if you think that you want to be a part of this family, you like the content that I create and find it useful, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that subscribe button over there. It's totally free of cost. वहाँ पे एक बेल का भी सिंबल है. Just click on that so that whenever I upload a video, आपको फटाफट से फोन पे notification आ जाए that I have uploaded a video and you can watch it if you wish to, of course. And yes, like this video if you found it useful and if you've liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video very soon, and by soon I mean really soon. And until then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, healthy, keep smiling always, and you know that I love you so much. Bye guys, have a great day. Mwah. Bye.